Hi everybody and welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeier. We're back here in our lab. Today we're actually going to be speaking about replacement Z-Series strobes from Siemens. We're back here in our lab. Again, we're going to be talking about the Z-Series strobe from Siemens. This is actually a ZR-MC-R. Now, the R is basically just telling you it's a strobe, so it's a Z-Series strobe. The MC tells you it's multi-candela, and then the R actually gives the color. You'll also see up here that we have hooked up not only the ZR-MC-Rs, they actually come in white. Those are ZR-MC-Ws. So depending on what color you're actually needing for your project, we can help you out with those, whether it be something that's already been reconditioned or if you just need brand new ones. These devices actually work for a lot of different applications. They replace a lot of the older strobes. So if you have questions about what it can replace, make sure to contact your account manager and we will be glad to help. This is Nick Dumeier. We'll talk to you again soon.